What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my kitchen. I know you guys saw that thumbnail. I decided to cook, okay, for my kids, and what I'm doing for them is my 5 cheese macaroni. Now, you guys see my other macaroni videos. Thank you for all the support, but I wanted to show you something different. I do make macaroni and cheese in different ways. Check out that video I made way back in 2014. Do you believe that was 4 years ago?
Almost 5.
Almost 5. Wow. And I have the seafood macaroni and cheese. So many people made that, gave me great compliments on that. But let's try my 5 cheese macaroni. I'm making it with some cornbread, some broccoli, which I forgot to put my broccoli on. I got my grease bubbling for my chicken. I got some chicken thighs. But the main sauce here is this 5 cheese macaroni. But we got a meal going on today. We got broccoli, macaroni, fried chicken, and cornbread. So you need your elbow noodles. I got this big one here. Of course, I'm going to always put in my sour cream. This is not a cheese. This is something that I use. But I have my mild cheddar. That's 1. My mozzarella is 2. Cream cheese makes 3. My mild white cheddar makes 4. And I forgot the 5th one. Jackson, give me that cheese out over there. Give me that cheese over there on the table. You can let the baby go. She's going to her mama. If this child moving, it's slower. It's on the table over there. So while we getting that started, I'm going to go ahead and pull. My water has been boiling. This is a thick pan I'm using. Water been boiling for a long time. And guys, here we go. Clancy cheese dip. That's cheese number 5. And I'm going to pour my noodles into my salted water that's been boiling for almost 40 minutes. Okay. And I'm going to stir that up because I don't want it to get stuck. As soon as you pour your macaroni noodle in, you need to stir it because for some reason it automatically just sinks to the bottom of the pan because it's heavy. Okay. There it is. We're going to let them noodles cook. Grandbaby, so I'm ready to do this chicken. We'll be right back. Okay, my grease is nice and hot. I got some flour chicken here. I'm doing chicken thighs, guys. My son said, I want this chicken with the 1 bone. I said, the chicken thighs? He said, yeah. So I'm frying up me some chicken. And this is not like a crispy fried chicken. This is a regular fried chicken in a nice hot pan, seasoned and flour to taste. That's all. And I'm going to let there go. Like I told y'all, we doing dinner. And I'm using old grease. You can use old grease. It gives the chicken flavor. Old chicken grease. Do not use some daggone fish grease, okay? So, this is on a medium high. This is going to fry up. We got the noodles over here cooking. They're going to boil up, get tender. Guys, we'll be back about the next 15 minutes. Guys, my macaroni is done. Look at that. So, it's hot. So this part you gotta do really fast. So I'm going to with my 2 eggs, okay? The eggs help combine your macaroni. If you're scared of shells, dice your eggs up. You know, put your eggs in the bowl before you put them in here. I want to get my eggs in here, but they won't cook, okay? So I'm gonna get them all around in there, but they won't cook. Eggs help loosen up the noodles. It helps combine all your cheeses and everything. Okay, that's nice and good. I'm going in first. Ooh, I still got my chicken cooking, guys. This is with my white cheddar. That's the block of cheese. I cut them up in dices.
You kiss the pom-pom.
Yes. Those some big old chicken legs, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm going in. This is my mild cheddar. I'm using just almost the whole bag. Feel like I had something to top. I'll go in there with my mozzarella. Mozzarella. This cheese number 3. Now, I'm going to cut this open. Let me see. We're going to start stirring this up. Get that cheese down in there. With the milk. She getting to the milk. Suddenly she getting to the milk. This is going to be so cheesy, you guys. Look at that. Okay. Now, I'll go in with my milk. I'm going to do about 2 cups of milk. I need to get a knife because I got to get my cream cheese open. So I'm going to get this stirred up first. This is going in the oven. Thank you. So I want to get this all stirred up. And we're still white. Not for long. It's white, but it's going to be cheesy. I don't know, I'm over here ducking and dodging. My cream cheese, guys. It don't matter. It's all gonna melt. And have your cream cheese out at room temperature. I took this out maybe 40 minutes before I was about to use it. Just at room temperature. Easy to melt, easy to deal with, and everything. And my fried chicken is going where it's going.
Here she go, her parsley.
Yes. My parsley flakes. How much is up to you? I just like the color. I like the color. I don't add any salt, guys, because I'm using so much cheese. But I love pepper in my macaroni, okay? Again, that's up to you. Let me get that all up in there. And you gotta mix it well. This is going in the oven. And that oven is gonna get it all the way it needs to be, okay? You notice I didn't make a cheese sauce. Ooh, and I'm making a mess because I'm moving it all around. That's okay. Just gonna clean my stove up. Ooh, look at that. That cheese. I'm almost there. It's a lot of cheese. I want to make sure. Let me check on my chicken though. These are some big thighs. And I want to make sure they cook. Well, a couple more minutes. Yeah, they big and they thick, honey. My secret ingredient, yes, is sugar. Like a whole tablespoon. And last but not least, the Clancy cheese dip. The whole thing, guys. And we're going to top that off with a half a cup of sour cream. Add a little more milk. I don't want it sticking. Oh, this is going to be good. I'm sweating. I just got to get it all stirred, mixed up. Ooh. So it's going to taste good. And think about people say, oh, it's not yellow. Doesn't matter. The cheese in it. trying to get wrapping around my spoon. And I hate using this type of spoon on my pan, but it's so much stuff in here that the regular spoon, the plastic spoon, this just won't work. This is not gonna work. Ooh, let me finish stirring this in one moment, guys. Gotta let the arthritis hands come back to life. And we'll be right back. I'll finish stirring this. I'll get my chicken out. Okay, guys, we're back. We stirred this macaroni and cheese up really, really well. I'm going in with my toppings now, which is just some more mozzarella cheese. Not that much. It's up to you. I just want to get that pretty golden crust on there that you know that you like. I got my oven already on 400 because I made cornbread and I put some honey inside the cornbread. So I made honey cornbread. Guys, this is my regular. If you go look at my SoulfulT, oh yeah, look at the broccoli. I'm making broccoli. That's a piece of butter sitting on top of there, guys. If you go look at my SoulfulT video, Soul Food, it's my ingredients in there for how to make cornbread. Instead of putting sugar in it, just put some honey in it. It's how much you want because it depends on how sweet you like your cornbread. I put like, 4 tablespoons of honey in mine. Substitute the sugar, that's it. Guys, I forgot to mention this, didn't I? Yes. I fried about 5 pieces of bacon.
I was about to say, like, cook that bacon up there.
This is going in the oven on 400, you guys. This is my 5 cheese macaroni. It's made different. I'm going to put the link in there to my other macaroni and cheese videos, which will be the seafood and my classic. This hits home as well. Just go in the oven for about 40 minutes on 400. 30 minutes top, depends on how I get that top crisp. I'll let you know how long. I'll just be eyeballing everything. In the oven, we'll be right back. So guys, are you ready for the end result of my 5 cheese macaroni topped with bacon? I'm still frying chicken. I'm about to sit that right there. Look at that. Well, I don't even know what to dig in at.
On the edge, get the edge part.
The edge.
Yeah.
Look at that macaroni.
I'm about to say, yeah, dig all the way in the bottom.
I'm going to dig all the way at the bottom. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is, y'all can see, look at that. This is my 5 cheese macaroni with honey cornbread, broccoli, fried chicken thighs. They eating good tonight in this house, okay? Until next time, guys, please follow me on all my platforms. Don't forget to go to Roku and check out my channel. Don't forget, I still have cookbooks for sale. Everything's in this description below. I love you guys for supporting. Until my next video, I am out. Taste, I tell you, it's like that fall taste, guys. With that, you know, with that, and I just love it. I love the way it tastes. It tastes great. Guess what I'm about to do?